What do these ships have in common? The vacuum sanitary solution from jets seamlessly integrated into the vessel. The unique installation flexibility allows upwards and downwards piping adapted to every sector of the ship, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. From the unique Vacuumarator pump, the sewage can be collected in a designated collecting point or be treated in the jet's sewage treatment plant. This highlights the adaptability and seamless integration of our technology. The scalability of JET's vacuum solutions allow their use in virtually every possible scenario, from one-toilet cabin systems to the world's largest cruise vessels with thousands of passengers. We take pride in the relationships we build with our customers, and we take pride in the products we deliver. This gives us the confidence to state that we are always to be trusted.